everybody, this is my room. I know you watched yesterday and you already know this, but for those who don't know this, that's my room. That's my view. So he's in there just sorting his life out, emptying memory cards and whatever. I thought I'm going to make use of my view and I'm going to go for a little swim. I'm going to take you with me so you can watch how amazing it is to be job free. Look at that. Look at this. Every morning. You can do this every morning. Oh, sorry.
Inside.
I'm starving. Like, my mouth is as dry as like the Sahara Desert right now. And talking that much. No saliva left, have I? We've had dinner, 220 peso, absolute bargain when you've had as much as we do. He had 2 rice, I had a noodles, we had 3 pieces of beef, 2 pieces of chicken and a litre of Coke. What dreams are made of. We're not sure what we're going to do now. We'll keep watching because it will be amazing, alright?
After about an hour drive from Lorena, finally made it to Lugnason Falls.
Lugnason Falls is a group of loads of little waterfalls, and as you can see, the waterfalls are named after all of the star signs. So we went to the waterfall, absolutely beautiful, all crazy people just stood there like jumping off, doing all kinds of madness that we just would not do as Western people, like we haven't got the guts to do. My towel just fell off, hang on. There we go. And Chris made friends with a French guy. Was he French?
Turkish.
Oh, he was Turkish, my bad. While he was doing that, I made friends with 2 local people who were like being tour guides at the waterfall, started asking them about college and what they want to do as their job, and they invited us to a little party tonight. So I think that's what we're going to do. We were going to go to the top of a mountain to watch the sunset, but we scrapped that idea because we seen the sunset last night. And on the way down the hill to go and get food, I just wanted to show you this view because it's absolutely magical. The sun is just about to start setting. The clouds look like a volcano eruption of smoke and it's absolutely stunning. So, tonight's video might go a little bit wild, but how many times can you say you partied with locals in Siquijor? We're about to. Let me show you this view.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say you like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know
this is how we spent the remainder of our evening, just chilling on the beach with the fire, amazing company and brilliant memories being made. It's going to take us around about an hour, just over an hour and a half to drive back to our room. But when you have nights spontaneous like this, you don't really mind. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed today's video, then please leave us a thumbs up so that we know, and we'll catch you again in a few days.
It's the simple things in life. You forget they'll pass you